Hello everyone, I welcome you in your science class, and today 7th class your topic is climate and adaptation. We are doing chapter number 7 of your NCERT book, and in your NCERT book the chapter 7 is weather, climate and adaptations. Okay, in the previous two videos we have discussed about weather and climate, and in today's video we are going to discuss about climate and adaptations. Okay, so in the previous classes you might have read about adaptations. What the adaptations are? Adaptations are actually the special features which are present in body of any animal, which are present in the body of any plant, of any living organism, we can say. So adaptations are special features that are present in any living organism and that help that organism to survive in its surroundings. Okay, because we all know that climate has a deep effect on all the living organisms, and animals are adapted to survive in the conditions in which they live, because we live in a habitat and every habitat is different with different conditions. Some habitats are very hot, some are very dry, some are hot and wet, some are very cold also. So every habitat has its own conditions, has its own climate. Okay, so animals are adapted to survive in the conditions in which they live. Animals living in very cold and hot climates must have some special features that help those animals to live in those conditions. If you remember, in class 6 we have discussed about camel. Camel is found in desert, and if you remember about camel has a very long, camel has very long legs, okay, and its long legs help to keep the body of camel away from the sand, okay. So you know about the climate of desert. Climate of desert is very hot and dry, and the sand is very hot during daytime. So long legs of camel keep the body of camel away from the heat of sand. So long legs are a special feature that are helping camel to live in its surroundings. So in this chapter or in this topic we are going to discuss about adaptations, or we can say special features that are present in animals living in tropical areas and in tropical rainforests and in polar regions. Okay, so in chapter 9 we have discussed features and habits that help animals to adapt to their surroundings. So features or habits also it may be that help animals to adapt or to live in their surroundings are a result of evolution. Evolution is a very long process. Okay? It is not that we can see evolution in 1 or 2 years or in 10 to 12 years. Evolution is a process which may take thousands of years. आपने ये तो सुना ही होगा ना कि ह्यूमन बींग्स जो हैं वो मंकीज से मतलब चेंज होकर के मंकीज से ही ह्यूमन बींग्स बन गए हैं, या जिराफ की अगर हम बात करें, जिराफ की बहुत लॉन्ग नेक होती है, तो उसका रीज़न क्या है? ऐसे एकदम से अचानक से तो जिराफ की नेक लॉन्ग नहीं हो गई है, या कैमल की लेग्स एकदम से तो लॉन्ग नहीं हो गई है ना, तो इट टेक थाउजेंड्स ऑफ ईयर्स फॉर दीज चेंजेस टू हैपन इन द बॉडीज ऑफ एनी एनिमल. Okay, and these are known as evolution. These are the process of evolution. And in chapter number 9 in class 7 we will discuss about effect of weather on climate and soil, and in this chapter we will discuss about effect of climate on animals only. We have discussed about effect of climate on desert animals in grade 6, and in this chapter we will discuss about effects of animals that live in polar regions and tropical rainforest. So what are polar regions? Polar regions क्या होते हैं? Have you heard about polar regions? So let's discuss about polar regions with the help of a map. This is map of world. Okay. In this map you can see certain areas are colored in different colors. So the colors which are the areas which are blue in color, they are actually polar regions. They are actually the polar areas, and well-known countries that belong to polar areas are Canada, Greenland, Iceland, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Alaska, that is in USA, United States of America, and Siberian region of Russia also, means Siberian region. This is very important. We will discuss further also in this chapter about Siberia. So that is in Russia. So the areas which are blue in color, they are polar regions because they lie near the poles of Earth. This area lie near the north pole of the Earth and this area lie near the south pole of the Earth. And in this chapter we have to discuss about the areas which are red in color, which are shown to you as red colored areas. Okay, and the countries that lie in this area, of course your India, half part of our India also lie in this red color. Okay, so the countries which lie in this red part, main countries are India, Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo, Kenya, Uganda and Nigeria. These are some of the important countries that lie in this area. This area is about tropical rainforests. Okay, it's very hot. This area is very hot and the polar areas are very cold. Okay, and in this chapter we will discuss about these. So this was your activity 7.2 according to your book. In your book you can have a look. Activity 7.2. Take an outline map of the world, okay, and mark the polar regions in blue. Similarly, mark the tropical regions in red color. So this was about that activity in which we have marked polar regions in blue color and tropical regions in red color. Okay. So now, first of all, let's start with the polar regions. So the polar regions we have seen in the map that the climate is extremely cold because it lies near the pole, and near the pole sun rays do not reach directly. Sun rays reach for a very little or for very less time of the year, and they also reach their slantingly. सीधी सन रेज नहीं वहाँ पर पड़ती, डायरेक्ट सन रेज नहीं पहुँचती हैं बिकॉज ये पोल्स के पास की बात है. तो पोल्स पर जब सन की रेज पहुँचती हैं वो टेढ़ी पहुँचती हैं और बहुत ही कम सनलाइट रिसीव करता है ये एरिया. दैट्स व्हाई इट्स वेरी कोल्ड. ओके, सो polar regions present an extreme climate because these regions are covered with ice and or we can say snow for most of the time of year, and it is very cold for most part of the year. The temperature is even in -37 degree Celsius. टेम्परेचर जो है -37 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक चला जाता है, एंड इट इज़ वेरी कोल्ड फॉर मोस्ट पार्ट ऑफ द ईयर. For 6 months sun does not set at the poles, while for the other 6 months sun does not rise. 6 months के लिए तो सनराइज ही नहीं होता है और 6 months के लिए सनसेट ही नहीं होता है. दैट इज ड्यू टू रोटेशन ऑफ द अर्थ अराउंड द सन. ठीक है, सो विंटर्स में जो टेम्परेचर है -37 डिग्री सेल्सियस तक वहाँ पर चला जाता है. और जो एनिमल्स, इट्स वेरी सिंपल दैट जो एनिमल्स वहाँ रहेंगे, अब हमें खुद के बारे में अगर हम सोचें तो जिस एरिया में हम यहाँ रहते हैं, हमारे यहाँ पे 2 और 3 मंथ्स के लिए थोड़ा सा ठंड का मौसम आता है, तो उस टाइम पर हमें वी नीड वुलन्स, वी नीड जैकेट्स, वी नीड ब्लैंकेट्स, सो वी नीड सो मेनी थिंग्स टू प्रोटेक्ट आवरसेल्व्स फ्रॉम द कोल्ड एनवायरनमेंट. So what about those animals that are living there in such an extreme condition? So these animals also have some special features in their bodies that would help them. Okay, so those special features which the animals living in these areas have, they are known as adaptations. So the examples of animals that are found in these areas are mainly polar bears and penguins. Okay, let's have a look at the polar bears. So this one is the image of a polar bear. Okay, so this one is the image of polar bear. As you can see in the picture, it's white in color and it can easily hide itself in the snow or in the ice, we can say. Okay, and they have white fur so that they are not easily visible in the snowy white background, and it protects them from the predators. शिकारियों से उनको बचाने में ये हेल्प करता है ना, एंड उनको खुद का फूड कैच करने के लिए, शिकार पकड़ने के लिए, टू कैच देयर प्रे, अपना शिकार पकड़ने के लिए भी ये चीज़ें जो है उनको हेल्प करती हैं. एंड टू प्रोटेक्ट देमसेल्व्स फ्रॉम द एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड एनवायरनमेंट दे हैव वाइट फर wait for a minute. So in this picture, as you can see, some body features are shown to you, like long neck is there, okay, eyelid, then hair, strong nostrils are there for smelling, okay, and in the same way large paws with fur underneath, means they have large paws, उनके जो पंजे होते हैं काफी बड़े होते हैं ताकि स्नो पर वो इजीली स्लिप ना करे, एंड फर अंडरनेथ, उनके पास के नीचे भी फर प्रेजेंट होती है तो जो उनको हेल्प करती है to protect themselves from the cold, and they have small ears, okay, in the same way they have short tail also, they have strong neck and long muscles for swimming के लिए strong neck और long muscles present होती हैं, and 5 claws on each paw, हर एक पंजे में पे 5 claws, मतलब एक तरह से हम कह सकते हैं nails टाइप में जो present होते हैं इनके हर एक paw के अंदर. So these are very sharp and strong, so they help them in catching their prey. Okay. So now we will have a look at this picture. See, International Polar Bear Day is celebrated on February 27th of every year. हर साल 27th of February को International Polar Bear Day जो है celebrate किया जाता है पूरे world के अंदर. Now we will have a look at some other features of polar bear. Okay, so this picture I have taken from your NCERT book. Okay, we can move on the NCERT book. Okay, so now our picture is set. So we can have a look at this picture and we can easily understand about the adaptations that are present in body of polar bear. So we will start with white fur. So white fur is not easily visible in the snowy white background, means it helps polar bear to hide itself from predators also and to catch their prey also, so that इनका शिकार भी इनको ना देख पाए, ये आसानी से अपने प्रे को पकड़ पाए, और जो शिकारी है जो इनको पकड़ने के लिए आ रहा है वो भी इनको देख ना पाए और ये उससे छुप सके. ठीक है. उसके बाद में सेकंड अगर हम देखें, दे हैव वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग सेंस ऑफ स्मेल. इनका जो सेंस ऑफ स्मेल होता है दैट इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, और इसकी वजह से पोलर बियर्स जो है इजीली अपने प्रे को कैच कर सकते हैं, लोकेट कर सकते हैं, उसको ढूंढ सकते हैं. दे हैव लॉन्ग कर्व्ड एंड शार्प क्लॉज. उनके जो क्लोज होते हैं, जो पंजे होते हैं, काफ़ी मतलब शार्प होते हैं, लॉन्ग होते हैं, कर्व्ड होते हैं. कर्व्ड इसलिए होते हैं तो स्नो पर वो स्लिप नहीं कर रहे. ठीक है ना. एंड दिस हेल्प देम टू वॉक ऑन आइस. इनकी वजह से क्या होता है, वो इजीली आइस पर वॉक कर सकते हैं. दे कैन इजीली वॉक ऑन द आइस. देन इट हैज़ अ लेयर ऑफ फैट अंडर इट्स स्किन. जो ब्लबर हम लोगों ने छोटी क्लासेस में पढ़ा हुआ है कि ब्लबर इनकी स्किन के नीचे प्रेजेंट होता है. लेयर ऑफ फैट जो इनको कोल्ड एनवायरनमेंट से प्रोटेक्ट करने में हेल्प करती है. So blubber means जो fat है that insulates its body from cold and keeps it warm. मतलब उसको गर्म रखने में हेल्प करती है, और फैट जो है वो बॉडी की हीट को इंसुलेट कर देता है. जो बॉडी की खुद की हीट है उसको बाहर नहीं जाने देता, और बाहर की जो कोल्ड है उसको बॉडी के कॉन्टेक्ट में नहीं आने देता है. इट हैज़ 2 थिक लेयर्स ऑफ फर. फर की 2 थिक लेयर्स उसकी बॉडी पर प्रेजेंट होती है, वो भी इसको वार्म रखने में हेल्प करती है इन द कोल्ड एनवायरनमेंट. Okay, so this was about polar bear. Now we will discuss about one more animal that is commonly found in polar regions, and that is this one. So now we will discuss about another important animal that is found in polar regions, that is penguins. Okay, so penguins are also white in color, but they don't have fur on their body. They are white in color so that they can merge with the snowy background, so that they can hide themselves in the snowy background. But they don't have thick fur on their body just like polar bear. So how penguins protect themselves from the cold environment? Okay, so they also have thick skin and a lot of fat is there under their skin. They also have a layer of fat that is deposited under their skin protect themselves from the cold environment. Okay, and one more very interesting picture of penguins that you might also have seen, that penguins can be seen easily huddled together, means they can be seen in the groups. It means we can say that they are huddled together, means they sit in the groups so that they can keep themselves warm. जैसे हम लोग करते हैं सर्दियों के मौसम में, मतलब क्लोज बैठ के अपनी ठंड को हम दूर कर सकते हैं, we can remove it. So in the same way penguins also do it. Penguins also sit in groups so that they can keep their bodies warm. Okay, and now apart from polar bears and penguins, and one more feature of penguins is that they are also very good swimmers. Okay, they can swim in water, okay, for long hours, and they have streamlined body with strong claws. Okay, and they have webbed feet also. They have flippers on their skin. These are the flippers of penguins. ये जो आपको black color में दोनों तरफ नजर आ रहे हैं, these are flippers of penguins. Flippers of penguins help them to swim in water easily. But apart from these one, many more other animals are also found in polar regions. So other animals that are found in polar regions are Arctic fox, Arctic owl, penguin, walrus, polar bear, seal, puffin, and reindeer. So these are also other animals that are found in polar regions. So this was all about the animals that are found in polar regions. One more topic is left that is related to this topic, but we will do it in next video because video is going to be very long. Already it's too long. So we will discuss about that topic in our next video. So please keep on watching the video till you understand the topic clearly.